Hello everybody and welcome. It is springtime. It's April and it's Easter and an Easter present has arrived. I don't really have anywhere to put this, so after I'm done opening it I'm probably going to end up putting it right back inside the box and setting it aside until my new shelf arrives. But so this model is a 1/18 scale Panhard, and I know I already have a Panhard model. That's Konoha-chan's car, the red 24 CT. This one is a Dyna Z, and there's a couple different Dyna Zs that you can get. This is the 4-door, which is the one that I have always wanted. I wasn't really sure about the color until I realized that it's yellow, and I don't have a yellow model. I have a red model and a blue one somewhere. I think the Lloyd is blue, and the orange Renault that I opened last time. So, in the interest of representing the primary colors, I got a yellow car. I haven't been waiting for it all that long. I think this only took a week to get here, and it came all the way from Massachusetts, which isn't all that far. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And I just realized I had a green knife and I lost that, and a red one and I lost that. So now what am I going to do? This is an X-Acto knife. So hopefully this should be able to get through the tape, and that should be fine. So let's see if this will work. Yeah, you know what'll happen is if I don't cut myself with it, I'll just lose this too. All right, so this car it's the Panhard Dyna. The short, quick history, which is just I always do, so I'm gonna do it again anyway. It was designed. It actually is based on a prototype designed by a guy named Gregoire, and he tried to sell the idea to all kinds of different French car companies, and Panhard decided to take on the idea. Notice I didn't say that they bought it from him, because they kind of didn't. They gypped him out of it. I don't know the whole story, but basically they made a 4-door version of his prototype and then changed a few things and claimed that it was their own design, and they won, which is really horrible. But that car came out in 1948 in France, and it was all aluminum. It had an aluminum body, aluminum chassis, aluminum cast engine, and it was quite successful for them, not in huge numbers because Panhard was a small company, but it was after being introduced in 1948. They made the original version of it until on or about 1953, 54, and then that was replaced by the Dyna Z. The first version was called the Dyna X, the X86 Dyna. And then that was replaced by the Dyna Z, which is what this is. Is this a Dyna Z or is it a PL17? I should explain that. The Dyna Z eventually was renamed the PL17 in on or about 1959 or 1960. And I've forgotten if this is like 1959 or 60. So we have pink popcorn in here. So this is going to make a mess. Just get some of it out of here. All right, here it is. All ready. Oh, okay. Can you see? Yeah, I can almost see it through there. Yellow Panhard. It is a Solido model, so that's excellent. This is my second Solido model. The last one I did was the Renault, and I really liked that. So Solido, and it is a PL17. So then this would be a 1960 PL17. So let's get it out of the packaging and get rid of all of this popcorn and this knife before I. So okay, I'll just put it over there. All right. Okay, so let's see here. More tape. All right, gotta use this again. And see if I can get through this tape without destroying the box. If I'm not mistaken, because it's a 1960 PL17 and it's a Solido model, the doors should open, because that's always like a criteria. Okay, bubble wrap. Yeah. Ugh. Okay. All right, so here it is, almost out of its packaging. And this, I think this is, it's sold as used, but I think the seller said that it had never been opened, which I'm very happy, because that means that really, this is basically a new model. It's probably just somebody bought and had it sitting on their shelf. Okay, let's see. Okay, good, no tape. Okay. Okay. Careful. Oh yeah, there's definitely like a musty smell. So yeah, that's been in a basement for like a long time. All right. I wonder, I'm sorry I'm smelling and doing that, but I don't want it to smell, but oh, it looks pretty good. I mean, this is in really good condition and it's very pretty. And I know I'm like really over-representing Panhard in my collection, but I can't help it. They're pretty cars. So this is actually pretty nice. I'm already happy with that. Let me get it up to the camera here and try to reduce the glare as best as I can. And the next thing that I need to do is get it out of this, kind of free it from its mooring here and take it outside, and hopefully I can make this look really good, though it'll probably be raining. But I'm really happy with that, and the door's open. It'll take me a little time to get all the tape off that holds it all closed, but the front end, oh, that opens. Well, I'm excited about that. Okay, well, stay tuned so that you can see what this looks like opened up with the engine visible and the interior and everything. This is a Solido 1/18 scale Panhard PL17 from 1960, and you may still be able to find these on eBay. I think this one was on or about $70, and you probably could find someone selling them even less than that if they have, already taken it completely out of its box. Even so, you're going to not spend more than $100 on one of these if you're buying it in the US and you get it shipped in the US. So I think that's pretty nice. Cool. All right. Well, thank you for watching, and enjoy the footage at the end, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.